Hello my dear friends. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I am talking about the match number 26 of Big Bash League, which is playing between Melbourne Renegades versus Hobart Harrigans. So guys, in this video I will talk about all the match preview, head to head comparison, points table situations, pre-lineup team and possibly playing 11. So this match is playing in at 4th January at 1:45 p.m. in Indian Standard Time. So first of all, we will look ahead the points table situation of both of teams, where Howard Harrigans played 5 matches. They registered 2 match win in this series, and Melbourne Renegades played 7 matches where he only won 1 match win in this series. So guys, this is the situation of points tables of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the pitch and conditions of match venue. So this match is playing on Dockland Stadium, Melbourne in Australia. If we talk about this pitch and condition, this is totally batting pitch. Total 56 matches have been played in this venue, and which team batting first won 28 matches, and which team bowling first also won 28 matches. Average score is 152 in this venue, and bowling first after winning the toss would be right decision in this venue according to pitch behavior. So guys, if you talk about the weather report, weather is not, there are 50% chance to precipitate during the game, 50% chance of precipitation during the game. And if we talk about the head to head comparison of both of teams, there are total 18 matches have been played now both of teams, where Melbourne Renegades won 8 matches and Hobart Harrigans won 10 matches in head to head comparison. So guys, in a head to head comparison, Hobart Harrigans is much more looking stronger than Melbourne Renegades. Let's move ahead and talk about the possible playing 11 of both of teams. First of all, we will talk about the Melbourne Renegades possible playing 11, where Quinton de Kock and Jordan Cox probably open the inning. Jay Fraser, M Group, Sean Mars will come on first down. Sean Mars, Harvey, Jonathan Wells and Will Sutherland will handle the middle order. T.S. Rogers, Peter Siddle, Adam Jampa and Kane Richardson will handle the bowling attack from Melbourne Renegades. So guys, this is totally about the match preview. Hobart Harrigans, Caleb Jewell and Matthew Wade probably open the inning. Mac White will come on first down. Ben McDermott, Collie Anderson, Tam David and Nikhil Chaudhary and Chris Jordan will handle the middle order from Hobart Harrigans. Patrick Doley will handle spinning attack. Nathan Hills and Riley Meredith will handle the pacing attack from Hobart Harrigan's team. So guys, this is totally possible playing 11 of both of teams. Let's move ahead and talk about the fantasy tips, which is more beneficial to create your fantasy teams. Looking by the pitch behavior, looking top order batsman would be crucial. Yeah, you can pick top order batsman in your fantasy team. Also the death over bowlers are excellent wicket taker. They can game change game anytime in this ground. So you can pick that over bowler like Kane Richardson, Meredith. They are great choice for your pacing attack. In wicket keeping sections, Quinton de Kock and Matthew Wade and Ben McDowell are best choice. 3 wicket keeper are best choice in wicket keeping sections. So you can pick 3 wicket keeper if you want, but I am going from 2 wicket keeper. Also pacers play major role in this venue, so you can pick more pacer in your fantasy team. So guys, this is my, let's move ahead and talk about the Polysports pre-lineup fantasy teams. Matthew Wade in wicket keeping sections I am picking Matthew Wade and Quinton de Kock. From the all batting sections I am picking Sean Mars, Mitchell White, Jay Fraser, M Group, and all rounder section I am picking Chris Jordan, Nikhil Chaudhary and Will Sutherland. This is my combination of all-rounder sections. From the bowling sections I am picking Adam Jampa, T. Sefer Roberts and Nathan Lee. This is totally my combinations. You can also pick Ben McDowell from bowling section and drop one batsman. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team where my captain choice is Will Sutherland and vice captain choice is Chris Jordan. You can also pick and give a chance to Quinton de Kock as a captain or vice captain. This is good choice. And Jeff Fraser Amgroup also a good form in this series. You can also give a chance to Jeff Fraser Amgroup for captain and vice captain. So guys, this is my pre-lineup team. After lineup, final team will post on my Telegram channel. You can join Telegram channel from the description links. So guys, meet you in next video. Bye bye and take care.